In this video, I will show you how to fix Deepseek AI login problems and troubleshoot common account issues. Let's get started. When you're trying to log in, you'll first enter your registered email address and your password. I click Log In to access my dashboard. Once logged in, you should see the main Deepseek chat screen. However, if you're experiencing login errors, loading loops, or system freezes, one of the first and most effective steps you can take is to clear your browser's cached files and cookies. To do this in Google Chrome, I click the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, I hover over Settings and click to open it. In the left-hand sidebar, I click Privacy and Security. Under this tab, I click on Delete Browsing Data. This opens a pop-up window with several options. I make sure that Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files are checked. Then, I click the Delete Data button in the bottom right of the window. This will clear any corrupted files that might be preventing the login page from loading properly. If clearing your cache doesn't work, extensions might be causing conflicts. To check this, I go back to the top right three-dot menu, select Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. Here, I can temporarily disable any active ad blockers or privacy tools that might interfere with Deepseek's authentication processes. If you are still unable to log in, it is possible the platform is experiencing a server outage. I can check the official Deepseek status page by clicking the status link in the interface. Here, we can see if the API service or the web chat service are currently experiencing issues or downtime. If the servers are red or show an outage, you will simply need to wait for Deepseek's team to resolve the issue. Lastly, if your login details are rejected and you cannot access your account, you can perform a password reset. First, I will sign out of my current session to demonstrate. On the login screen, if you cannot log in, I click the Forgot Password link just above the login button. On the Reset Password page, I enter my registered email address and then click the Send Code button. Deepseek will send a verification code to your email. You can check your inbox or your spam folder to retrieve it, type it into the designated box, and click Continue to set a new password and finally log back into your account. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.